Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You open Google Sites and sign in with your Google account. Once done, pick a template or blank canvas. Start by naming your site and creating the main pages you need: Home, About, Contact. Make sure to upload your logo and primary images now, because assets speed up layout work. You'll learn how blocks and the right-hand insert panel create structure. This first step locks your sitemap, which keeps the design consistent as you build. You now design each page with sections and layouts, drag text, images, and buttons into place. Once content is placed, customize headers and choose background focal points so visuals scale on mobile. Make sure to use the Insert menu to add Drive files, calendars, and maps. They remain live and editable. When embedding external code, test responsiveness in the preview mode. As you work, control navigation, order in the pages. You're ready to publish. Choose visibility settings and, if desired, connect a custom domain. Once published, fill out the site description and meta tags for basic SEO. Make sure to preview on desktop and mobile because layout differences can require quick tweaks. If a section doesn't appear, clear your browser cache and republish. Double-check file sharing permissions in Drive for embedded files. If the domain fails, verify DNS records with your registrar and retest after TTL prop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.